Hey there everybody, SpaceWIndu here. I have a package I want to open with you guys. This is Super Harem comic book, and I'm gonna pop it open right now and see how the package came. Okay, we'll just pull this. Looks like it arrived very flat. It says on it, "Do not bend," and they didn't bend it, which is great. Let's see what we've got here. Wow, that's cool. Cool artwork. Carl O'Roe, 2020. Let's open this. Is this like a poster or something? I don't know what I got. Oh, these are like some like 9x12s, I guess. Some posters. Super Harem is a comic book about a guy who, when he sleeps with a woman, she gets superpowers, and it's called Super Harem. This is some artwork. Let's see what this artwork is. Also by Carl O'Roe. Very, very cool. I like how just the idea of this comic is just going, the other way than what, like, people on Twitter and different people are trying to shut people down that want to draw ladies like this. So I really like how independent creators can still do this and put out a comic book. Let's check out the actual book. Now, I read the PDF preview that Matt Wenger sent around to all the backers of this on Indiegogo, but I was really excited to get the actual book here, so it's very well packaged. There is some cards down here. Let's see. That's some artwork too on the book I did not see before. Or at least I don't remember. These are cool. These are like little stickers, maybe. Different characters. I won't show them all in case you're waiting for this book. I like these. Those are neat. Taking the comic book out, it does come with a backing board in a comic book bag. Oh, I almost thought there was no comic book bag. Okay, but there is a comic book bag. Cool. All right, I'm gonna read this. I'm gonna reread this. There might be different content here than the PDF I saw. Plus, I want to refresh my memory on exactly what happened, and I will do the review. Oh wow, maybe I should have put gloves on. Very glossy, very nice. John Baugh, 2019, the artist. I like how there's actually no title on this, it's just artwork. Okay, I'll be back in a minute after I've read it. Oh yeah, take a look at this great poster by Carl O'Roe. Really great. I actually really like the lighting from the sun here on this foot for some reason. On this girl right here. I don't know why. I think that this looks really realistic. This foot really looks like it's in front. I like the way that it's lit. Very, very great poster here. Thank you for that. This is a cool poster as well. This shows more of what you get in the first issue in this graphic novel that I got. This kind of depicts one of the monsters. It shows the city, and it shows the cast of characters. Tim is the main character. You got the Valkyrie, and then the new Valkyrie here. It's like the book is so nice. I don't want to crease it. Take a look at how glossy this is. We've got the creator, Matt Wenger. Artist for the line art, John Joseph Ball. Colors, Farah Nurmaliza. Editor, Adam F. Promotional art by Carl O'Roe. Artist I just showed. I've loved Wenger ever since I saw him on Comic Artist Pro Secrets show maybe about a year ago. Started following his YouTube channel, and then I heard about this comic book, Super Harem, and look at the artwork. Very, very detailed, a lot of blacks, a lot of line work. It's really, really nice. And I especially appreciate the parts of it that, like these pages here, that are all action and there's no dialogue, but you could just follow the action in these shots. This spread here, huge monster, great inks. Then there were certain parts, just because of the premise of the story and the writing, actually was quite funny. Thank you, Wenger. I really enjoyed the comic book. It's really refreshing. I did read it on the PDF, and I really enjoy like the actual books more, and all the artwork was really cool to see in this printed version. I really like the way that the printed version came out. I also have a comic book coming out later this year. It's called Albatross Junction. Please go check it out on Indiegogo. It is during the pre-launch campaign right now. If you drop us your email right now, you are going to get 2 posters that are going to be exclusive for the people who sign up on the pre-launch campaign. Go check out Comic Book Creation Live, which is my second channel, and we draw every single Wednesday on New Comic Book Day. We are drawing Albatross Junction live and discussing story beats and plot points, and maybe even what we've been doing lately is making the trailer.
The sun is gone. A voyage to a faraway world ends in tragedy. One last chance for survival is found on an unlikely planet. Genetic material brought back could change the future of our world. Albatross Junction.
Almost there on issue number 1. I've written through issue number 2 already, and that's all going to come out in October. Wenger, great job on this. I really like the writing of the book as well. I like the lettering. I liked every bit of it. It's very enjoyable and refreshing read as far as a comic book goes, and I liked every aspect of it.
SpaceWIndu!